Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Motorola Buds 500. This is a wireless Bluetooth um, buds from the Motorola company, and this is very good actually in this price range. Actually, the thing is I just want to tell you. So the MRP price I mentioned is around 10,990. But now the offer is going on. Actually, you can get it around pretty much around from 3,000 or 3,400 rupees. I checked in the Flipkart today, so it's around 2,999. And when you're going for Amazon, you can get it for 3,400. So what's special about this headset is actually it comes with an inbuilt Alexa. So you need to download some app to make it that work. So here is the one. So it comes with the dual mic technology for crystal clear voice and dual microphone instant automatic connection to devices, and it has either bud has an either you can use as a single mono headset, or you can use as a stereo. That's what they're telling. And you can Alexa enabled, and it's Alexa by default has 20,000 plus skills. Okay, so this is the box. So when it's a magnetic kind of box. Okay, when you remove it, okay, so you can see it like this. Okay, this is the design, and it has like they give a lot of different kind of earbuds for your custom music needs, and also based on your ear size you can go for XL, large, small, and XS. Okay, and yeah, this is unboxing video. Just remove it. I'm going to remove this side. Okay, and it comes with the charging cable. Okay, and it has this Motorola manuals and warranty card. So just like mentions how to use and all. So coming to this one, this is a charging one. So just need to connect your this charger to make it charge. So this buds would be attached like here, like this. Okay, for example, we need to keep like this to get it attached. Yeah, it's charging now. Yeah, both are charging. You can close it. So this is actually very nice and compact design. Okay, and just got this RSS enabled and scan to install the app. So you need to install the Hubble connector. So I'll show you where it is, how it works. Yeah, I don't have any app installed right now, but I can actually thing is they're asking us to scan that code. I can scan this. We go to Play Store. Or search for Hubble. Yeah, this is the one. It's already installed actually, but maybe the different name. That's the reason I told. So you can log in to enable it. Okay. So this app, I don't have app installed. That's fine. Yeah. Actually, the playback time they mentioned is 9 hours. For example, and it works on Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and it's a full control in the earbud. Yeah, it's really comfortable wearing, guys. Actually, yeah. Thanks for watching. Actually, I'll leave link in the description below. If you're interested, you can buy. If you're in India, you can buy in Flipkart and Amazon.com, Amazon.in. That's all about it, guys. Please like this video and share with others. And if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.